कैसे हैं आप? How are you? So today I am going to take one topic from simplifying the algebraic expression. So I have seen so many kids, they are facing problems in simplifying the algebraic expression, but nothing to worry about. I am going to tell you how to simplify an algebraic expression, क्योंकि अक्सर algebraic expression सुनते ही बच्चों को डर हो जाता है कि वो algebra it means difficult, लेकिन nothing to worry about. Let's see. I have a question here. A square b, in the bracket it is a minus b square plus ab square, in bracket it is 4ab minus 2a square minus a cube b, in bracket it is 1 minus 2b. So let's see how to simplify it. Simplify करना मतलब इसको और कितने आसान तरीके से we can write it down. Okay, so here a square b, in bracket it is a minus b square. There is no sign, so the operation will be of multiplication. Okay, अक्सर बच्चे इसमें confuse हो जाते हैं कि what they have to do. It means you have to multiply this term with both the terms inside the bracket. So let's see. A square b into a, it will be a cube b. Why? We have to apply the law of exponents here. Okay, according to law of exponents, when the bases are same and there is an operation of multiplication, the powers get added. Okay, so here the power is 2 and here 1. Okay, nothing is mentioned. It means it is having a raised to power 1. Okay, so 2 plus 1, 3. So a cube b minus a square b cube. Similarly, a square b is multiplied by b square. Okay, so you got a square b cube. Similarly, we have to multiply this term with both the terms inside the bracket and we'll get 4a square b cube. Okay, applying the law of exponent. Okay, minus 2a square into a is a cube b square. Then minus a cube b multiplied by 1 is minus a cube b. Minus minus plus. So when the bracket gets open, minus, the sign changes. Okay, and it will be 2a cube b square. Okay, so now the next step will be we have to see the like terms. Okay, like terms means having the same variables. Okay, the terms having same variables in them. So let's see what are variables we are getting here. So this is a cube b minus a cube b. Okay, so first we will write them together, minus a cube b. So it will be easier for you to simplify it more. Now minus a square b cube, and here it will be 4a square b cube. So these are like terms. Why? Because they are having a square b cube, and this term is also having a square b cube. Okay, so we will write it together. A square b cube plus 4a square b cube. The next like terms we can say is that minus 2a cube b square and plus 2a cube b square. Okay, now this plus a cube b minus a cube b will get cancelled. Okay, similarly minus 2a cube b square plus 2a cube b square will get cancelled. Okay, now we are left with minus a square b cube plus 4a square b cube. So here nothing is mentioned, means the coefficient is 1. So 4 minus 1 is 3. Always remember the coefficient gets, the constant term gets added or subtracted. Okay, the variable remains the same. So here a square b cube plus 4a square b cube. Plus minus is minus, so we will get 3a square b cube. Why it is positive? Because 4 is bigger than 1 and it is having plus sign. That's why. Okay, so it is simplified. The whole expression got simplified, and the solution and the answer of this is 3a square b cube. So hope you understood my explanation, and if you are getting my explanation, then do subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like. Thank you.